What is up YouTube? Ruben here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows NT 5.0 build 1877 in VirtualBox. For this tutorial, before you do that, you need to install Windows NT 4.0 first. If you don't, it's not going to work. So you want to make sure that you install Windows NT 4.0 first. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hit New, and you're going to type in whatever. I typed in Windows NT 5.0 build 1877. I'll put NT 1877 for the sake of time. It's already set to NT 4.0 by default, but since I did not have like NT 1877, I'll change it to NT 4. Then hit next, or put Windows 2000. Space out of Windows NT 4.0 by the way. Then hit next. Just create. Next. Create. Then click on settings, storage, click on the empty disk, then click here, and you're gonna have to look for the NT 4.0 ISO to install it, and then hit OK, and then click on start, and you should be installing NT 4.0 first. So let me remove it because I already have one right here. I'm gonna run NT 4.0. Now, I'll show you proof that when I right click my computer, hit properties, it's gonna say Windows NT 4.0 build 1381. Now, to install Windows NT 5.0, right click here and then click on choose disk image, and let me look for the Windows NT 4.0, no, NT 5.0 image. Mine is located in here. Then what you do is right click and hit adjust date time if you want to change the BIOS date, which it is optional. You don't even need to change the BIOS date, but if you want to, I'll go ahead and pause the video, and I need to go ahead and look up I can't even talk right now. Look up some compilation info. So I'll be back. So for the BIOS date, you can change it to August 18th to 1998. So you change it to August 18th, 1998. Again, you don't even need it. Just hit OK. Then you should be installing it using the BIOS date, but you don't even need it since we are upgrading it to NT 5.0. Once you insert this, you're gonna get this screen, and you'll get a dialog box saying that it's gonna contain a newer version of Windows. Then hit yes. Then you're gonna select upgrade to Windows NT 5.0. Then hit next. I accept this agreement. And then hit next. And then you're gonna restart the computer. So click finish. Please do not hit any key to boot from the CD because that is going to be an issue, and it's going to set to NT Workstation 5.0, which is the one we need. This is going to upgrade to NT 5.0 build 1877. It's starting Windows NT, and now it's going to examine your hard drive. Then hit enter. Then again, do not hit any key to boot from the CD, otherwise you will go to a constant loop. Then make sure it's still set to NT Workstation 5.0 setup, because again we are upgrading. Now it's going to examine the disk again. And now it's going to copy files. So let that sit here. It's not going to take that long. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, so I'll be back. Once done, make sure to remove your optical drive or your CD and then hit enter. And now we are starting up Windows NT 5.0 build 1877, and this is a beta 2. Now you will be asked to insert your CD back in, so do that, then hit OK. And you can see it says Windows NT Workstation Upgrade. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, so I'll be back. If this shows up, just hit OK, and then hit OK, it'll work just fine. And then hit restart now. If this shows up, just eject it because you're in. Then hit machine, then hit reset. Then hit enter. And there you go, you have successfully installed Windows NT 5.0 build 1877 in VirtualBox. So that is it. That is how to install, again, Windows NT 5.0 build 1877. So thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon when I upload new videos or make a live stream. And follow me on Twitter at RubenApodicio17 or Instagram at RubenTheTransitFan. So that's how to install Windows NT 5.0 build 1877. If I right click my computer, hit properties, it should say it right here, Windows NT 5.0 build 1877. So that's it. I'll see you next time.